Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to create a glitch in Photoshop. Let me begin by creating a duplicate layer by pressing Command J. Once I'm done with that, I will go to my image, adjustments, and black and white. Once I've turned this into the black and white, I will go to my blending options and I'm going to deselect channel R. Hit OK. I will press Command and shift the entire photo to the right side. Once I'm done with that, I will create another duplicate layer and go to my marquee tool and select part of my image, Command, and shift it to the right side. Command D to deselect. Now we'll do another one right here. I see a little bit of imperfections here at the left side, so we're going to go to our spot healing tool and we're going to just kind of cover it up. So this is how you create a glitch. Very simple, very easy. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.